Thank you.
Let this gun honor you all. Be ready.
Team, can we kindly have the SOP document here for the launch, for the release of the SOP? So following this, we have kept a short photograph session with the two groups of cultural performances. तो उसके लिए भी सर मैं आगे चाहूँगा कि उनको बुला लिया जाए इसके बाद.
अभी बुला के रेडी.
जी जी सर, तैयार है सर.
सर. Thank you, sir.
Team, please bring the board on the dais.
Come, Dora. Please come. Mansi and Managa. Please come. Mansi, please. You also come. Come to the children. Please go.
Look, sir. Sir.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir. Ma'am, please close. You facing me come? Yes. Ready? Sir, ready? 1, 2, 3. Thank you, sir. Ready? So ready, 1, 2, 3. Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much. All the best.
Ready? Madam, look, madam. Ready? Sir, look, sir. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Once more, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much.
Ready, sir? No, sir. Ready, sir? Ready? 1, 2, 3. Once more, sir. Ready? Look, sir. Thank you, sir.
This is a really very good program. But most of the students have been observed, they had come here by 11:30. If at all they are supposed to reach Raj Bhavan, they are supposed to come to the schools by 9:30. That instructions will be there by the head of the institution. If at all they are supposed to come to school by 9:30, they have to leave home by 8. So 11:30 they had come here, in the sense, since 2 hours they are here. And there are 2 hours from institutions to here, 4 hours. But I assure to the children, nothing to worry. After this program and the 10 minutes, we are going to have very good food. If at all such being the case, Mr. Vijay Kumar, I am also going to join. So I have to say many things related to education and education department and issue related to the children and students. But my conscience is not permitting because of time. It is already 2:10. It is a time to take food. जब पेट खाली रहता है कुछ भी नहीं पकड़ता है. So I have to say something. All respected officers and respected head of the institutions of private institutions, educational institutions, ladies and gentlemen, dear students, I am really delighted to join with you for the release of the standard operation procedures and the launch of State of Meghalaya website for the implementation of Section 12, Subclass 1, Subclass C of the Right to Education Act 2009. This provision of RTE Act ensures that 25% of the entry-level seats in private, unaided, non-minority schools are reserved for children from economically weaker section and socially who are backward. It is a vital step towards the inclusivity, equality, and the fulfillment of every child's constitutional right to education. The SOP provides clarity and uniformity in the implementation, while the new website brings transparency and efficiency. It will also strengthen the partnership between the government and the private schools, making education a shared responsibility and collective mission. This is not just compliance with the law, it is a strategic investment in inclusive growth, social integration, and future of our state, of Meghalaya and nation. I commend the educational department and all the stakeholders for this important step. Let us work together to ensure that the spirit of this act is realized in every corner of Meghalaya. Kuble, Mithila, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thanks to all of you and all the best. Good luck. And after taking food, all the children who had come here, the students, you go around the Raj Bhavan, see the Raj Bhavan, be here for 1 or 2 hours. It is a 150 years old building, totally built in Burma teak. It is a heritage building, very nice building to see. Anyhow, all the people, all the students had come here. After taking food, leisurely, you visit the Raj Bhavan, go around the Raj Bhavan and enjoy the enough time and go back. Okay? Okay, thanks all of you.
Thank you. Very lovely. Thank you.
Thank you so much, team. With this, we have come to the
stage is in the line. Yes. What a balance.
Sir, ready? Look, sir, madam, look, ma'am, ready? Thank you, sir.
Stand on the chair also.
You can just
Guys, please come here. Come here. Man, you can come here.
अरे इस सब पे दो आ जाओ और बच्चे इधर को इधर कर अरे ये लोग आके बैठ नहीं सकता हाँ सोमन
Can you move a little?
हटे रहने
everybody please find a place to stand. Yeah.
और पीछे आ जाइए तो वाइड व्यू मिलेगा
Already.
Ready? 1, 2, 3, sir. Sir, look, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay, let's go and have some.
Thank you so much, everybody, for